How to fix Google Chrome status stack buffer overrun error. Hello friends, you might be facing a snap with this error on Google Chrome when trying to browse pages. This issue occurs because of a bug in a Chrome update. There is a tweak to fix this issue. Follow the steps. Launch Google Chrome and go to Chrome flags page. Search for the term angle, ANGLE. You will get an experimental setting. Choose Angle Graphics Backend. This is set as default. Click on this drop down and select D3D11. Then click on Relaunch. Your issue should be fixed. However, for some users, the option D3D9 has worked. So you can choose D3D9 option if D3D11 doesn't work for you. Select this option and relaunch your browser by clicking on Relaunch. The issue should be fixed. If the issue still persists, follow some general troubleshooting. First of all, disable hardware acceleration. For this, click on three dots. Select Settings. Go to System. Here is Use Graphics Acceleration when available. If this setting is turned on, turn off this setting. After turning off the toggle, you will have to relaunch the browser. Click on Relaunch here and check if the error is solved. If the problem still occurs, again click on three dots. Select Extensions. Manage extensions and turn off all the extensions. Disable all the extensions by clicking on their switches and then check if the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, clear browsing data. Again click on three dots. Select Delete Browsing Data. Check All Time here. Click on More and select All Time. Make sure that all the options are checked. And click on Delete Data. After deleting, see if the problem is solved. If the problem still occurs, reset the browser. Click on Reset Settings on the settings page of Chrome. Click on Restore Settings to their original defaults and click on Reset Settings. This will reset all the settings. The issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.